When we bought Hill, we started we changed our mission, which was real simple. And to me, it's the lowest hurdle a machine shop can have. Deliver quality parts on time, every time. Problem was, I didn't know if I could do that, right? So I needed data to tell me, are we delivering on that promise, right? The machine monitoring, our ERP systems, all ProShop, any of them out there, they can tell you if you did it yesterday, but am I doing it today, right? So I needed something that would allow me to get proactive with how we're doing today so I can change the outcome of a job, not look at how the job went and try to change it next time. You can't keep up with 30 people on your floor, how they're doing on job by job by job. This gives me the chance to be proactive. I have alerts. I have shop managers now that see, oh, I've got a problem. I need to go fix it.